Move on to our next presentation, which is Gougeon Brothers. And Gougeon is the manufacturer of West System epoxies. They have a great live demonstration for us today, and we have Ben and Logan Gougeon with us. Ben is the field sales executive for Gougeon Brothers. So take it away, Gougeon.
Logan, I am merely Ben. Today we are here to talk to you about West Systems G-Flex 655 thickened epoxy adhesive. And so first, G-Flex comes in a multitude of sizes, comes in an 8-ounce kit, which is also in our plastic boat repair kit. Comes in quart cans, gallon cans, 5-gallon units, drums, totes, tankers, however you want it, we'll get it to you. But what we're really excited about to talk with you about today is our G-Flex syringe. And so this is new. It's a 1-ounce syringe. What's really nice about this syringe is that you're able to dispense very small quantities of G-Flex with ensuring that it's on ratio. And so you just squirt it out, make sure it's mixed thoroughly, and you're set. So what G-Flex is, as I said, it's a 1-to-1 ratio, 2-part thickened adhesive, which is a toughened system, and it's excellent for bonding dissimilar materials together, such as wood and aluminum. So it has a high elongation for an epoxy, which is about 33% compared to a standard system, like our 105 system has about 3%. So basically what that means is if you have two epoxies that have equal strengths, the epoxy that has the higher elongation is going to be more impact resistant, more abrasion resistant. It's able to absorb expansion and contraction, stress, shock, vibration, all of that without cracking and without damage. And so that's what makes a toughened adhesive superior over an untoughened adhesive. And so to demonstrate that, I've got 2 pucks here. Now, this is an unnamed competitor's product. And this, of course, is G-Flex. So what I'm going to do is take my little hammer here and give it a shot and see what happens. A little crack. Yeah, so you can see she cracked it a bunch of pieces, as we would expect. So let's see what happens when I hit the G-Flex. No cracks. No, it's perfect. No dents, no damage, no impact. It's absolutely in the same condition it was before I hit it. So that is, I think, a pretty good demonstration. Another good demonstration of a thickened epoxy is G-Flex has the ability to absorb a screw. I can drill this screw directly into this without drilling a pilot hole. As you can see, there's no cracks, no issues. If I did that to a standard epoxy, it would crack, it would split. So one of the really neat things about G-Flex, as I said, it sticks to several dissimilar materials, is it will stick to plastics. Now, this is a high-density polyethylene, also commonly known as, well, Starboard is the most popular brand name. And to stick to that, we need to do what's called flame treating. So you want to take a torch, propane torch, just go over the surface about 6 to 12 inches per second with the flame touching the plastic. And that will allow the G-Flex to bond to the surface for about 45 minutes. Now, if you don't get the epoxy onto the Starboard, the high density polyethylene within that time, you just simply reflame treat. So you can see the viscosity of this epoxy here. It's very thick, can be used overhead. It can be used on vertical surfaces without sagging or dripping. It's an excellent adhesive. It sticks to about anything. It is absolutely almost foolproof here. So Yeah, so here is a cured sample that we bonded yesterday, but you can see she's stuck on there. It'll take probably 2,000 PSI to break that apart. So anyways, if you have any questions about G-Flex or anything else, catch up with us at westsystem.com. Thank you very much.